So you can see some paintings on the walls of the rock shelters. You can see here a painting has been made in which two men are fighting. These are the paintings of figures of some animals. You can see this is also the figure of an animals painted on the walls. Okay, and see this one, this is also figures of human which are painted on the walls of the rock shelters found in the Satpura National Park. And this is the forest. You can see this is the dense beautiful forest of Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. Now, why the government is taking such initiatives to protect the wildlife? Because there are some animals which are getting extinct. Extinct means their number is increasing to such an extent that no individual of their community, of their species is there. So our next topic is related to this, is endangered animals. What are endangered animals? As the name suggests, the animals which are in danger, whose numbers are in danger, the animals whose numbers are decreasing to a level that they might face extinction. The animals whose numbers are decreasing that much that if their number keeps on decreasing, then what will happen? They will be extinct. They will get extinct. Okay, extinct means whole population of those animals will be vanished, completely vanished from the earth. So we need to protect these endangered animals, because all the animals and plants play important role in the ecosystem, as we have already discussed in the beginning of the chapter. So we have to protect the endangered animals because they might get extinct. So to prevent their extinction, we should keep a check on the number of endangered animals and protect them. Some examples of endangered animals are Asiatic lion, then we have Bengal tiger, then there is another example, one-horned rhinoceros. One-horned rhinoceros, Bengal tiger and Asiatic lion. Okay, now this is a part of your homework. You have to find the names of 10 endangered animals in India. This is the part of your homework. You have to find the names of 10 endangered animals in India apart from these three. Okay? The government of India is taking various initiatives to take care of the wildlife, to protect the wildlife. Okay. So we know that the national animal of India is tiger. So to protect the tiger population, the government has launched Project Tiger in the year 1973, because the population of tiger was decreasing day by day. Okay, if we talk about before, in the year 1973, before that, the population of tiger went down to nearly a number of 1411. Means only 1411 tigers nearly were there. But the government took an initiative to save the population, to save the species of tiger. Okay, so the government launched Project Tiger in the year 1973 in April. Okay, in the month of April 1973, to protect the tiger population. Okay, because of this project, the aim of this project was to save the tigers, and because of this project, the hard work of the government and people, there was a significant increase in the number of tigers in Satpura Tiger Reserve. Okay, so they took various initiatives, they did various experiments, and they took great care, and as a result there was a significant increase in the number of tigers in Satpura Tiger Reserve. And now, as calculated in the year 2018, the number of tigers were 3000 in the year 2018 as the number provided by the government of India. Okay, so we need to conserve the animals and let them live happily and carefree in their natural habitat.